So tell me, anyone from roll number, and I think I've given enough time to you all to complete your assignment. Still, if you have not done, it is your error. Roll number 1060125. Any one of you are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As usual, all absent. Previously also they were absent. Roll number 6. 7. Roll number 7. 8.
Yes, sir.
So start. Show me your assignment.
Sir, which one? Like 11th or 12th?
I need your assignment for the topic ratio, cash flow, etc.
Yes, sir. For 1 second. Hello, sir.
दिख रहा है बेटा? Go ahead. Go ahead. If I'll ask any ratio, I suppose you should be in a position to answer. Roll number 8.
Yes, sir.
रेशियो और कैश फ्लो ही है ना इसमें. तो अगर मैं कोई रेशियो पूछूंगा तो आपको आंसर आना चाहिए ना.
Yes, sir. I have to practice all that.
अभी तक प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया है.
किया है बट इतना याद नहीं है.
चलो
sir.
कोई भी 3 रेशियो बता दो. क्लोज योर असाइनमेंट बुक and tell me any 3 ratios.
Any 3 ratio.
Quickly.
Expense ratio total of expense upon net sales into 100.
Okay.
Then operating ratio, cost of operating expense upon net sales into 100.
Very good.
And bus that much only I remember, sir.
Roll number 9.
Sir,
roll number
thank
9.
you, sir.
Roll number 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Sir, present, sir.
Go ahead.
Good morning, sir.
Warning. Ratio and cash flow.
Sir, these are the ratios chapter.
Very good.
Sir, these are the illustrations.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Over, sir.
Sure. कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट में इन्वेस्टमेंट एक्टिविटी में क्या क्या आता है? ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. This MCOM e-commerce batch very poor. They are not studying. And see, believe me, if you not study, it is difficult for you to clear the exam. वो जो आपका नोशन चल रहा है ना, ऑब्जेक्टिव, very soon it will be subjective. ठीक है? And it will be very tough time for you to clear exam. सिंस 1.5 year जो एंजॉय कर लिया ना आप लोगों ने, तो बहुत डैमेज कर दिया आपके स्टडी को. 18.
Sir, sir, I can save the formulas, sir, of ratios.
नहीं, मैं पूछूंगा नहीं ना, मुझे पता है लास्ट टाइम तुमने फॉर्मूला दिया है. मैं वही पूछूंगा जो तुमको नहीं आता. रोल नंबर 18. 19.
19 is there.
Yeah, go ahead. Just unmute yourself, Jay.
Yes, sir.
How many pages it is?
Sir, 1 minute. Total, sir, assignment 1 to 8 is 36 pages. Then 9 to 11 is total 14. Total 50 pages.
Yes. Put it today's date, whosoever is showing me the assignment, that second time you have shown me the assignment on 18th of October. Okay?
Yes.
Again, same question goes to you there.
Yes,
What
sir.
items will come in investment activity of cash flow statement?
Add sale of assets or investment,
Very nice.
minus purchase of
Sales,
assets
assets and
investment.
investment. Very nice. Chalo, next. Roll number 20, 21, 22, 23,
Sir,
26.
23.
Chalo, 23, go ahead. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Jinal, close it.
Yes, sir.
What all we can put it in financial activity of cash flow statement?
Financial activity, sales of assets and purchase of assets. Sales of assets will be
Satyanas.
add and purchase.
Galat
Sorry, sir.
answer.
Can you repeat the question?
Financial activity gone. Roll number 24,
Shares and bonds.
25, 26, 27, 28. These were children who were absent in first assignment also. तो बोल देना उनको 0 marks मिलने वाला है. If by next lecture they are not showing it to me. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
Sir, I'm here 30. Could you hear me?
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, I've written all the ratios and everything. Here, everything is here, including. Now, sir, honestly speaking, I have started off with the TVM. I'm doing all the illustrations that you have given in the corporate finance book. Okay, so honestly, I haven't reached on to the ratios, but I do know the financial ratios. But then I've started with the, what do you say,
TVM.
the illustrations and everything.
Okay, close the book, Ina, and tell me the answer.
Sir, I know financial ratios, as in the first revenue ratios, I would say, but then other than that, the combined ratios and all, I am not pretty sure about those till now.
Close the book, na.
Sorry? Yeah, it's
Now,
here.
tell me the formula for ARR of capital budget.
AR. Yeah, so it's it is going to be AR as average return on this thing, average rate of return. So the average rate of return would be A bracket 1 plus N, 1 plus N upon, I don't know how do you put it that way. A plus.
So do not try to mug up the thing. Okay. That is
So then,
average
actually
return.
speaking, then it is average annual profit upon average investment.
That's it.
Ha,
That's
okay.
it. Suppose there are 5 years profit. So total
Yeah.
the profit divided by number of 5 years.
Yeah, so the
Average of
basically I was
investment-
thinking about the formula, but then this is what it means.
So the right formula is average profit divided by average investment. That's it.
Yes.
What is the formula for NPV?
NPV A 1 plus K upon N. Raised to N, sorry. No.
Just now Jay has given that answer. It's there in the chat box. Present value of cash inflow minus present value of cash outflow. Roll number
Oh.
32. 31, sorry, 31 is also not there. 32.
Sir, I'm here.
31 is here. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
So others, please be in touch with these children जिन्होंने assignment करा है. They are only the helping hand for you guys. Otherwise सबका wicket जाने वाला है. याद रखना.
This is ratios.
There are 2 devices, yes, if I'm not wrong.
Sorry, sir.
There were lot of.
Can you hear me?
Now it is proper.
Okay.
So can you tell me what is the formula for future value? Very simple,
Future value is
simplest one. ऐसे नहीं चलेगा दोस्तों, बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, आप लोग पढ़ ही नहीं रहे हो.
no, sir. I have to start this week. Frankly, sir, I mean, I haven't been able to actually revise a lot of things lately because of a lot of project delivery this last 2 weeks. I wasn't able to revise that.
Huge portion
Then I'll
of
make sure
our-
I'll do it.
Huge portion of our syllabus has been already taught. Now only very small portion is left. To not study, it will be very tough for you to clear internal as well as external exam.
True, sir. I'll make sure, sir. I'll cover up this
Roll
week.
number
So I have it.
32, 33, they were present in last internals also. Kindly intimate them. So these roll number 1 to 4, even 9, 10 were there present, but Isbar again they were absent. 21, 20 and 21, and 24 to 28, 31, 32. Both may they are absent. Very difficult for them to pass. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38,
Yes, sir.
38. You were absent.
37, sir.
37. Okay.
37, sir.
Go ahead, 37. You were present during last assignment also. These are the-
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, close. Tell me any 4 combined ratio. Any 4 combined ratio.
Sorry, sir.
Combined ratio बताइए. Okay, roll number 38. 39 and 40. So today again, only let me make the announcement of students who were present and given the assignment. That's roll number 8, 17, 19, 23, 30, 31 and 37. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
बाकी सब एब्सेंट है. इस रफ्तार से
हाँ Sir, in
Yeah.
combined ratios, there are capital gearing ratio, return on interest of capital employed, return on total assets, and return on proprietary funds, and return on equity shareholders funds.
वेरी गुड। के अलावा भी है डेटर्स टर्नओवर, क्रेडिटर्स टर्नओवर, अर्निंग पर शेयर, प्राइस अर्निंग,
Yes, sir.
सब
Debtors
कंबाइंड ही है,
turnover. Yes, sir.
सब कंबाइंड ही है, वो सब भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा ना। Today also I'm not satisfied the way you are preparing yourself. It's not up to the mark. I don't know how much time to be given. And I don't want to start the new topic, honestly. Because after the exam, remaining 2 small units can be done. Majority of the portion, after 75% portion हो चुका है. And that's why you are unable to answer these small questions even. जो
Sir,
अभी मैंने पूछा.
sir, the portion for the CA1 is scope and objectives of financial management and time value of money.
जी. And उसके नीचे ही है analysis of statement, that is ratio analysis and cash flow analysis. ठीक है? And the second one is capital budgeting. उसमें लिखा भी है ARR, ERR entirely. तो मैंने कुछ जो क्वेश्चन सुबह अभी इनिशियली पूछे, इसके अलावा ऐसे बेसिक क्वेश्चंस भी पूछ सकते हैं. Which one of following is not an element of financial management? Allocation of resource, financial planning, financial decision making, corporate social responsibility. What is the right answer? बहुत जरूरत है तुम लोग को पढ़ने का. None of you are studying. Now tell me, out of this, which you are not finding related to finance? ये 4 ऑप्शन में फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड कौन सा चीज नहीं है? That should be the answer. ये बेसिक्स भी नहीं आएंगे तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. Or the question will be like this. What is the right answer?
Earning per share.
So, likewise, anything from anywhere can be asked. Or it could be like this. ऐसा नहीं कि प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन नहीं आएंगे. इसमें से प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं, बजटिंग में से प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं, प्रेजेंट वैल्यू फ्यूचर वैल्यू में से प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं. I'm very upset till today. That's why just intimate them. Okay, there will be another one chance because last time also I've taken 2 days. These are PG student, otherwise इनका पूरा result सत्यानाश हो जाएगा because of one subject. Okay. This is calculated from reverse calculation. याद आ रहा है? ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं जहां से हम ये भी पूछ सकते हैं आपसे. टाइम वैल्यू ऑफ मनी. समझ में आ रहा है? तो एनी टॉपिक could be taken for setting your questions, objective questions, and these are very vibrant topics, very vast in nature. So until unless you do the thorough practice, only merely writing is not going to help you. You understand and write. If you are unable to understand, if you want to ask, feel free to contact. Okay? So see you during next lecture. And again, this kind of practice will be done and there will be check of assignment. Okay? Chalo, bye. Take care.